Most of the managers are given a target profit for their department, shop, or whatever they are managing, especially if they are a profit center manager. Not every department is a profit center. We looked at that in week 1. Some would be simply for cost centers. But if you're a profit center manager, you will be responsible to achieve a target profit. Usually higher management, they tell you that you are, let's say you should make, your target is to make a profit of, let's say, 1 million. So what should you do then? You should sit down, wait for the quarter to end, and then see if you have made 1 million or not? No, it doesn't work like that. You see, we talked about proactive management. And what will happen? A good manager would look into how that target could be achieved. Now, those targets in manager's life are very important because their bonuses are dependent on that. Most of the management packages, their packages are like salary plus bonus, always. And the bonuses are dependent on meeting those targets. So a good manager would work out how to achieve that target, and there are various different ways. They would know from their experience what steps they need to take to ensure that a target is achieved. And that target is always linked with the budgets, so it all interlinks. One way of doing it, to work out how many units we need to sell to make a profit of 1 million. And this equation, which we can see, target profit, fixed cost plus target profit divided by contribution per unit, this could be used to determine how many units we need to sell to make a certain profit. You can multiply that, those numbers of units with price per unit to find out how many sales you need to achieve to make a profit of your target profit. And accordingly, you will arrange your activities. You will arrange your procurement. You need to buy products, a raw material, people, space, how much cash you need to have, that. And another thing is, very important part of planning is that when you are given a target, the first thing you should assess, do you have resources to achieve those targets? Let's say, for this coursework, your coursework is 2,000 words report. If I give you a target of 15,000 words report for this module, the first thing which will come to your mind, you can't do it. You don't have enough time to write that much or do that much research to write down. That's for your dissertation. So when you are given a target, the first thing you need to assess, are you given resources to achieve those targets or not? And linking that process will help you to achieve those targets. Because when you are given a target which is unachievable, you are being set for failure. And when it comes to budgets, we talked about incremental budgeting approach. We talked about zero budgeting approach. There is also called ideal budgets targets. When we have ideal budgets targets, people are set for failures.